everyone, I am Aarti and you are watching Boardmass Law and Management. MGI Gurgaon is one of India's premier management institutes renowned for its academic excellence and industry relevance. Established in 1973 in collaboration with KFW, West Germany, MGI has grown into a top tier B school with strong national and international accreditations such as AMBA and SAQS. The institute consistently ranks among Insight's top 10 management schools. MGI Gurgaon academic offering are diverse, featuring a flagship PGDM program alongside specialized courses in international business, HR management, and business analytics. Students from all specializations find roles aligned with their career aspirations. MGI's placement performance is renowned for its high salary packages, transparency, and broad sector coverage, making it a crucial factor for aspirants when choosing the institute. One of the institute's standout strengths is its robust placement record, with an average salary package of around 25 to 26 lakhs per annum, and the highest recent package touching over 53.6 lakhs. MGI Gurgaon assures aspirants a lucrative return on investment. The presence of over 140 recruiters from multiple sectors such as consulting, technology, BFSI, and FMCG highlight its broad appeal. MGI Gurgaon's standout characteristics is its strong industry interface, which equips students with practical knowledge, professional contacts, and problem-solving skills. Located in Gurgaon, the country's largest corporate hub, the institute benefits hugely from its proximity to headquarters of MNC, startup, and consulting firms that allow students to engage regularly with industry leaders and gain first-hand exposure to business challenges. Guest lectures, workshops, live corporate projects, and international partnerships further enhance learning opportunities and etc. The campus is designed to offer a complete environment for learning, living, and personal growth. Spread across lush green surroundings, the MGI campus blends modern amenities with a students-friendly atmosphere, ensuring that both academic and extracurricular needs are well met. The infrastructure plays a critical role in enhancing the overall MBA experience, allowing students to focus on their studies while enjoying a vibrant campus life. The campus is designed to offer a complete environment for learning, living, and personal growth spread across lush green surroundings. The MGI campus blends modern amenities with a student-friendly atmosphere, ensuring that both academic and extracurricular needs are well met. The infrastructure plays a critical role in enhancing the overall MBA experience, allowing students to focus on their studies while enjoying a vibrant campus life. The admission process at MGI Gurgaon is highly competitive, attracting some of the brightest management aspirants from all over India and abroad. The institute assesses candidates on multiple parameters, including entrance exam scores, academic performance, personal traits, and leadership potential, ensuring that only capable and motivated students are admitted. The fee structure for the flagship PGDM courses is about 24 to 25 lakhs, including tuition, hostel, and other charges. MGI Gurgaon emphasizes internationalization as a vital aspect of its MBA program, providing students with opportunities to develop a global outlook on business and management. Through international collaborations, exchange programs, and exposure to global case studies, students gain valuable insights into cross-cultural business practices, preparing them for careers in MNCs or global consulting firms. MGI Gurgaon is known for its strong placement with an average package of around 25 lakh per annum and top offers exceeding 50 lakh per annum. It holds a solid reputation, global accreditations like AACSB and AMBA, and partnerships with over 90 international institutes, giving students both brand value and global exposure. The campus environment is competitive and dynamic, offering multiple specialized PGDM programs in areas such as international business, HRM, and business analytics. Strong industry connections are fostered due to strategic location in Gurgaon. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.